I'm Dr. Steven Synder. I'm a sex therapist, a practicing psychiatrist, and the author of the new self-help book, Love Worth Making: How to Have Ridiculously Great Sex in a Long-Lasting Relationship. It's about how sexual emotions really work, especially in long-term committed relationships. And on Sunday, October 7th, at the Modern Sex Therapy Institute's upcoming weekend workshop in New York City, I'm going to be leading a session entitled Pills and Skills: Treatment of 21st Century Clients with Complex Sex Problems and Coexisting Mental Conditions. In this course, I'll introduce you to some new ways to assess and treat some of the more complex sex conditions that we clinicians see in practice every day. I'll show you how to get much more detailed information about all aspects of your client's sexual experience. What actually happens in bed, as well as what goes on in each person's head. We'll discuss how to do sex therapy with clients with the three most important mental conditions commonly seen in sex therapy settings: mood disorders, especially depression; anxiety disorders, especially social anxiety; and neurodevelopmental disorders, with a particular focus on ADHD. Finally, I'll show you how to use all this information to guide treatment using detailed case examples from my own experience working with over 1,500 individuals and couples in my office. Most of the material is going to be entirely new, and I'm thrilled we're going to do this program, and I look forward to speaking with you Sunday, October 7th, at the Modern Sex Therapy Institute's upcoming weekend workshop in New York City. See you there.